Hello guys, I have this double span portal frame that I would like us to design in Autodesk robot. So let's get into it. First of all, we'll use this 3D portal frame. So when we reach here, you make sure that your units, if you want to, or you come to job preferences, I'm using these languages, parameters, view, preferences. There's nothing much to do here. You come to under tools. This is where job preferences, under units and dimensions, under forces, degrees, British materials, depends on the country that you want to design from. Database, I see all this. Vehicle loads, standard loads, design codes. I'm using this. So just make sure that everything is set. When you're done setting, you can set it as default so that anytime you open it, it carries those settings. You click on OK. Then the next thing you will do is you come to add-ins, then frame generator. Give it time to load. So when you are here, this is the first place, the second place. Under this place now, we have one bay already. You can add another one if you are going for two bays. And then D. What is D? The total length. Let's say my D is 50 meters. Good, and my DB is 55 meters. This should be 10. Then D 50. Here 5. Okay, 45. So that means D okay, so the D is 45 and the B, the spacings are 55 meters, and the N, so if this is 11, you can achieve your 50. Good. If here is 11, the length is 50, the N will be 11. Then added a 0 too. So now first problem is solved. The next thing, you come to geometry. Under this geometry, you have HR, that is the height, depends on your calculation. From mine is 2 meters. I'm using 2 meters. Or if it's angle, I also type the angle there, and you have this dimension automatically. So if your angle is 10 degrees, this is what you're going to have. Then the total height, maybe your total height is 6 meters, and maybe your spans are 20 meters. We are doing for one. Six meters, 20 meters. You have this. This is your B. 20 meters. Okay. $10 meters on the side. 10 degrees. 10 degrees. 10 degrees. We are working with both spans. Height. Okay, we are done with this. Every is symmetrical, so this 6. Then we'll come to columns, sections. If you don't have what you want from here, you open here. Let's say we are using universal beams. So using universal, use the UB. So we're using UB of 304, and okay. So when you add, you won't see it. You have to open here and bring it. So our columns. Just open. Get our beam. UB. Fill the beef. By using that is just for preliminary design. This is the column. Since we're not using truss, we have nothing to do here. Yeah, we don't have slab decks, attics and eaves. We don't have it. Brackets. There's these brackets that you can add knee brackets. But we will not add it now. We'll add it when we generate our design. So under polyline, you can see given a space of 200. In our polyline section, I'll come to more. Yeah, I'll come here. Maybe I'm using user. I want to use these ones. If you don't know how to create user, you create your own sections. I have a video on that. I've created my own sections, so I can use one of them here. If I want to use that, I can add it. So single polyline. I want them to be single polylines. You have that. Then the ridge beam, I'll go for something lighter. Go for let's go for a circular hollow section. Close. Struct. Those ones by the side. I think they should go with the same thing, both left and right. Should go with something. Poline braces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Poline braces. You can choose 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go about poline and braces. See, that was this side. Number of polines. See this DPR. We'll use spacing instead. Spacing of 1 meter. Spacing of 1 meter. Spacing of 1 meter. Spacing of 1 meter. Two, pick 1, 2, 1, 2. So this side we also use the same poline, and then roof ridge, you see, go with this and this. Come in. Then for braces, you have this is wind braces. Here for wind braces, let's go with angles. go with the same thing. The afterwards, go with that. For the afterwards, go choose a universal beam. Like that. We're going to load it now. So we're not using this. For better still, you can still load it for your roof. We'll load it when we generate the building. That's how I prefer it most times. So now we are okay. Now we can go ahead and okay. This our truss has been generated. You can see our zipper lines and all this. So now that this has been generated, what I first do is I add my hunches. So what I'll do is I'll come to geometry, additional attributes, brackets, okay. Well, you have to let me set this bracket first as a section. So it says this as a section. It now carries the same thing as this section, or you can create new one. Good, it's the same thing. Give it as a section. Then the L, some people give it 1.5. Then added. Good. Let me see. So I can so that mine good. So now I can be able to notice it, to see it. Road section. Road. Select the up one. Let's just set and see. Height for this one 1 meter, please 1.5. Rotate, get a better view. Pick this, pick the beam, Okay, we are done with this. We can close this now. So the next thing The next thing we can do is apply loads. Well, let's look at create panels so that we can apply loads. So come to claddings, so let's go rectangle. The first side you go take it as X. I like going to the shorter directions first. I can actually copy this. It's a good angle. Alright, good. Now we'll go to contour. Double click at the end. So how you can copy this? Let's see. Edit, copy move. We'll be able to copy here. See here, and then we can just select these two. Click copy and say copy it here. We rotate and see. Okay, we have that. So let's create for this. Come back to rectangle. How do you want this to go? It should be sharing like this. Okay, I'll go here first, then I'll come to the end. I'll go here first, then I'll come to the end. I can copy this, edit, move or copy from here. I'll come here, or I can both close this now. The next thing we're going to do is to create load cases. Come to load. You already have. Sorry. We already have self weight, so we're going to create dead load. Go add this, create live load, we'll add this, then we'll close, and we'll select this too. Select these two, come to the second one here. But first, let's come to self weight. Okay, self weight has already been added. Let's see, self weight has already been added. So let's come to our dead load, come to surface, uniform, minus 0.25 as the dead load you are making use of. We'll add, also come to live load, going with the live load of 0.5. We add and we apply, and we'll close. So the next thing we're going to do is we'll generate wind load. Save. Generate wind load, come to loads, wind load simulation, generate wind load. We are going for positive X and positive Y. Since it's a symmetrical structure, we are going for the wind speed of 40. Depends on your geographical area. Select by material. We'll select these panels, I'll copy. Then I'll come and paste here. Then we start and watch the simulation. Okay, we have successfully generated our wind loads. So we'll now do load combination. Come to load, automatic load combination. Go to this, remove this, select all these, and generate all of of these windows has been generated. Is one settings. Then since our polyline is offset, there is one DSC algorithm settings that we are required to do before we run our analysis. We'll come to choose job preferences, press on structural analysis, then DSC algorithm. This we're going to turn that off. We're going to turn that off. I'll now apply. Done everything right. Change our panels. Okay, all this has been done. Let's move the deformation. Okay, it's still like exaggerating. Okay, now we can go ahead and check our reaction. Come to analysis and results. Result. These members are this. These members are the center carry more load because of the load coming at both sides. You can see the high load there, and these ones, the load is less, the axial loads. Okay, so there are a lot of other things that you can check here. You can take your time and go over them. So from here now we can proceed to, we can save and proceed to steel design. Connection design. Now let's have to design the steel first. So what we have here, members part, groups. Group 1 is a column. We don't want those H or these ones. We're using British standards. Save. Let's put group 1. Yeah, I'll go with this. I'm designing with PE. Code font. Five. Save that. So now we can come to code group design. We have 8 groups. Then our load cases. Then we can now start calculation. So I've already started designing the column, the universal columns, which I use UV. Design at 305 165 by 54, considering the span of 20 meters. That's decent enough. And it's double span, so and I categorize them the same. If I can create a group and the middle columns will be different and the external ones will be different, you see that the members will be much smaller. Maybe the middle ones will carry this one and the exterior members we have smaller members, but I group them under one. So maybe when you are doing it, you can group them differently. I have a video, you can watch my previous video on truss design where I show how you can select members and group them together. You use that for that. Then our roof braces going for 76. Okay, yeah, this is done. And see our results. Our roof braces, our roof ridge, our beams, this has been changed. Okay, so immediately you click on change all the members change, and so you can get your full calculation note. where you can export those members, where you can be able to save it as PDF. From here we can proceed for connection design. Before, so when you come here now, let's off these panels. Panel material. Good. Remove the panel so we can see well. We can select 1, 2, and the joint. New connection, but it asks you to analyze first. Do a raw analysis again. 0 error, 0 warnings. So let's do it again. We're okay with this. Okay, these properties have been opened. We come here to connection view. You can see what is on ground. If you are going for both connection, I like to choose this. You can see HP, B, all these things that you can take a look at them by your right. Brackets. Okay, this is what we have here. HD. There, this. Both. You can use M16. You can use that. 18. Depends. By the time you design, you see the utilization ratio. Words, I won't touch anything there. You see a need for it. Material here for stiffness. You can depend on the kind of stiffener you want to add. Add stiffener. Codes. And then let's come back to geometry. Let's apply this. You can see the stiffener that you just added. Under this bolt here, see where you set this. Let's say this is, so this one is 120. This has been moved down. Okay, let's say this is 100. 100. This is what we'll have. Good. Let's make this 170 and see. Good. That's what we have there. We'll apply. See. So now you can click on see, so the combination loads or calculate. It's passed at 0.68. that is decent enough. This is the report. You go over it. You right click here and you can print this as PDF. I'm using, I have Nitro PDF, any PDF you can use. Hunch report. The scheme, this can be exported to AutoCAD. Let's see. I want to see if you can see this. This is an AutoCAD. If you want to do assembly drawing, you can now use these members and do your assembly drawing Tekla structures. We are going to do a lecture on that too. So you have this now. So for you to design another member, let's say you want to design the base here, and select one of these members. New connection, you can see it. Good. Really, you have this. You can come to view here, so you can be previewing what you are doing. So since this is we use pin, it's a pin design, so you're not going to have, it's not a fixed design. Your pin designs are more easier to design. The zoom, there is no transferring moment, there is no horizontal this thing. So anchorage here, we'll go for this. Immediately you apply, you see your changes there. Depends on what you are going for. Chess, have that. This class. L2 L2. You can change the height depending on what you're trying to achieve. Then EV, let's see EV. How we see EV here? Let's make it 100. Let's see 120. Okay, see how it's moving. Okay, have that. Oh, we won't be having this. Where's 5mm foundation? See what we have here. Something like this. Okay. Then the plates under this plate here, this distance, and now what you're trying to achieve. Then that can fly. And the thickness, and give it 20. So I can just design this and see. This is also passed. But the utilization ratio is low. It shows I overcompensated these members. So you can readjust some things and redesign. This can be 450. Can be 270. Can be 750. 600. 300. 350. Okay. And now we can now design. Let's do design. Good. This is good. Oops. From 13 to 33. I think we can go with this. You can see work on it to have a much more economical design. Believe you can work on coral. Even 16 can carry this. No different. Wait. That is just it. So for about these two, you can also export these to your AutoCAD, or you use this information to do your Tekla structures or detailing in any of your structural detailing software where you do on those or your assembly drawings. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, remember to subscribe to this channel and share to other people too, so they can benefit from it.
Have you been desiring to get an exclusive design for your dream home? Or you have been looking out there for an expert firm to handle your project? 8G Structures has got you covered. HE Structures is a consultancy company registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria to deal in providing world-class standard services with a view of ensuring clients' need timely. HE Structures deals in structural design, analysis, and modeling of buildings, telecommunications mast, bridges, culverts, retaining walls, swimming pools, and drainages. We are also experts in architectural designs and modelings of residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. We have a strategic way of remodeling of structures to classic taste. Our remote software training ranges from AutoCAD, Revit, Protostructures, Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis, Quick Civil Series, Tekla Structures, SAP 2000, Lumion, and so on. You can reach us on WhatsApp and website displayed on the screen. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channels displayed.